finished. Let's see if we can identify some bird calls, yeah?
Is it a mockingbird?
Good job. What about this?
Is it a rosy pillowed solitude?
Not quite.
An owl.
Oh, nice try, but it was actually two rosy-pillowed sawtooths. They were practicing for their semi-ironic noise band.
That's a northern smoke alarm.
Good. Their batteries need changing this time of year, so they all migrate south. There's a lot of them in this area.
One big toe on the brakes.
I don't think we went over that one. Miss, is it a cardinal? Miss?
No, it can't be.
Miss, is it a blue jay?
Yeah, I fly into windows. Window seeds go into my mouth. Yeah, boy.
I think it's a cool bird.
What? I thought those were extinct.
Dude, just try making a grilled cheese with mayo, okay? It changes your life. It changes your life. Do you want any Cozy?
Whoa! Did I just hear what I thought I heard? Sorry, guys. I was just surveying the forest as a park ranger. And then I heard something that I thought might revolutionize science. Can I mind if I take a listen? Cool, thank you.
I was just about to explain to the kids that this probably is not a cool bird. At least the way we think of them in the public imagination. It could be instead a case of convergent evolution or a wilderness prank show.
Yeah, good idea. But take a listen to that extremely chill vibe. I mean, it could find a mate if it wanted to, but right now, it's just having some cool bird time. I think this is real.
Holy shit.
How long has it been since one of them was seen in the wild?
Well, the cool bird has been capturing the public's imagination since the Paleolithic times. Take a look at this Spanish cave painting. You can see there, it's kind of hard to see, but that's one of what we think the earliest depictions of the cool bird, seen there with a primitive version of its signature electric mandolin.
Oh my god, cool birds go back that far?
There's even a rumor that they were way cooler back then because all the other birds were such boring pieces of shit. But it's impossible to know for sure.
She's right. All birds used to be huge pieces of shit. But being cool proved to be so evolutionarily advantageous that plenty of birds started to become cooler. Now, many are watching Fleabag and have Psychobilly in their Spotify Wrapped. But this means that maybe there's a population of cool birds out there that has been untouched by the ravages of time. Oh man, this could change everything.
Oh man, did you get your ear?
Yeah, my friend Dobbs, who reads Yates, pierced one of my ears yesterday. I was inspired by your septum ring.
Oh my god! The first bird known to have a septum ring! I have to call the ornithologist!
But miss, what happened to all the other cool birds?
Well, they were hunted to extinction nearly 75 years ago. No one's seen a trace of them since. Until now.
Wow, it's so sad to think that human selfishness could have rid the world of this really cool bird forever. But this recording gives me hope. Maybe not all is lost. Humanity's been given a second chance, and we'll do it right this time.